right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I will be showing you some of my go-to hairstyles that I like to do. But I just wanted to update you on my hair situation right now. I cut bangs recently, which I loved. But because of self-isolation, I haven't gone to the hairdressers and they're actually growing out, so they're at a really awkward stage right now. But I will still do my best to show you these hairstyles with these grown out bangs. So these hairstyles are perfect if you want to change things up a bit and you don't have much time. They take little to no time at all and they're super effortless but really cute as well. Hairstyle number one, this one is really simple. It's basically a half up, half down sort of hairstyle. So you grab two front pieces and you tie them just under your chin, but leave a bit of room under your chin so that you can move them backwards later. I know I look a little bit crazy in this one, but grab two other pieces from behind your ears and also tie them. Now tie this one slightly lower than your top half, so it looks like this. And all you have to do is put it back on the back of your head, the top one first and then the bottom one, and that's it. That is our hairstyle. I love this hairstyle because it's so easy to do, so fast. It looks really elegant, but also looks really well put together and effortless as well. Next hairstyle is the high ponytail. So for this, I like to split my hair into two sections. The top half, I tie it into a ponytail. Sometimes I just leave it like that for a half up, half down look. But for the purpose of this video, we're also going to be tying up the bottom half into the top half and creating one ponytail. I do have a lot of baby hair, so normally I would just wax that down so that everything holds together for a nice sleek sort of look. And then what I like to do is grab a piece of my hair from the ponytail, from under the ponytail, and then wrap it around the elastic just to hide the elastic. And there we go, there's our high ponytail done. Sometimes I like to curl the ends a little bit as well when I do have time, just to get that sort of pin-up look. I love this hairstyle, really cute and simple to do. The next hairstyle, we are going to use the high ponytail that we created and then pretty much put it up into a bun. So I twist it and put an elastic band around it like so. Pin it in place. And there's our bun for an effortless messy bun look. The messy bun is super cute for those days where you just want your hair all out of your face but still looks super cute. The next hairstyle, we're creating a low bun but with a bit of a twist. So tie your hair into a low ponytail. Just pull out the hair in the front that you want and the sides. You want to create a hole in the center of the ponytail, just above your elastic, and then flip your hair inside. So now you've created this sort of pattern there. And we're just going to pull it a bit tighter and then just carefully pull out the bits to make it a little bit more puffy. Once that's done, braid the remainder of the hair. And now it looks like this. So we're not finished yet. Grab the braid and you literally flip it and tuck it inside that little pouch we've created, and now you have a bun. This bun looks super elegant. It's slightly different to your normal buns and it's super duper cute, really easy to do. Hairstyle number 5, split your hair into half. Grab one side, but make sure it's not right at the front so you have a bit of fringe. and tie it up. Going to do the same with the other side, so it creates two little mini harp pigtails. Sometimes I leave it like this because it's also really cute. But for this video, we are going to do two little buns on top. So roll it up and use another elastic band to create a bun. Hold it in place with a bobby pin, and we do the exact same to the other side. This hairstyle reminds me of Sailor Moon. But it is super cute and it's really easy to do. The next hairstyle we're creating is a low ponytail, but this one is sort of like an effortless low ponytail. So we tie it into a low ponytail, pull out some bits from the elastic, just to create a sort of lumpy, bumpy look, like you've just casually flipped your hair together like that. Grab a piece of hair from the bottom of your ponytail and wrap it around your elastic band to hide the elastic. Use a bobby pin to pin that in place. So pick up the top section of your ponytail and start teasing it, then we brush it out. And here's our hairstyle. So there you go, this hairstyle looks really effortless. It looks like you just woke up and pulled yourself together and your hair still looks amazing. It also gives you a bit of extra volume in that ponytail too. Next hairstyle, we split our hair onto the side like so, and then we braid it down the side. Split it into 3 sections and grabbing the sides as we go down. So I braid this to around just below my ear, then I continue braiding it normally. I love this hairstyle because it gets my fringe out of my face and it just looks so cute. I like to pull out the braids so it looks bigger and looser and more effortless again. And that's it, my fringe is out of my face and I'm ready to go. For this next hairstyle, we're going to be splitting the hair into 3 sections. So grab the top section and tie it into a half ponytail like you normally would. Open up a hole above the elastic and flip your hair through, like so, and then just tighten it. We're going to do the exact same thing for the middle section. Grab the middle section, split it into 2 pieces, tie it into a ponytail above the top one. And we're just going to flip it over and through again. Finally, the bottom half of the hair, split it into 2. We do the exact same thing. And flip it over and through the hole. Pull out the front sections that we want out. Once again, really easy to do, and it looks like you spent more time on it than you actually did. Next hairstyle, we are splitting our hair into 2 halves. So I'm just going to tie the first half so it's out of the way. The other half we just tied into a little bun on the top of our heads. Pin that into place and we do the same for the other side. And this creates 2 cute little space buns. I think because my hair's dark, it reminds me of Mickey Mouse a little bit. But it's something different to your normal one bun, and it's really, really cute, especially in summer. Next, we're going to be braiding our hair. So we grab the front section and we start braiding down, grabbing the sides and putting it into the center as we go. So for this one, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit lumpy. The aim is to create that effortless look. All the way down until it looks like a single braid. Now you can leave the hairstyle like this if you want to, but what we're doing is I'm grabbing a scrunchie and I'm just folding that braid up and tying the scrunchie around it. So now it looks a bit more put together. It looks like it's got a bit more structure, and with the scrunchie it makes it look really pretty and elegant. And finally, our last hairstyle, tie up the top section so it's not in the way. Take 2 strands, one from each side, and we braid both of them. Once that's done, you can lay your hair down and put one side over your head onto the other, and we pin that in place so it kind of looks like a little DIY headband. And then you do the same from the other side as well. So put it over your head and pin it in place on the other side of your head. And that's it, we're done. I love this hairstyle because it looks so pretty with the little braids. Looks like a little headband that you have on. And really effortless, simple, cute. And there you have it. These hairstyles are super easy to do when you're out of time, and they're really quick, simple and cute. So that's all from me today. Thank you so much for watching. Which one was your favorite hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.